Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to make a YouTube channel. To start the process, open your YouTube application on your mobile device. Now tap on profile icon on your top right corner. Here tap on your channel. From here, you can change your photo or take a new one. Now enter your name. Then tap on Save. Now tap on pencil icon to edit the handle. After editing the handle, tap on Save. Now tap on Create Channel. As you can see, our YouTube channel has been created. Now go to your profile. Here, tap on Your Channel. From here, you can create a new video. Now you can check your playlist, channels, and about. From here, you can find your YouTube link and join date. This is how you can make a YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.